Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new video regarding the dimension style, how we create our dimension style in AutoCAD. We will learn about how to save this dimension style and we can use it for next time for the new drawings. So we don't want to every time we create a new style, and we will take the time to create the new style. So we will create one style and we save it, then we import it, then export it, and we can use it for next drawings. So first thing, we open the AutoCAD, we'll open new page from here. Then the shortcut is DIMS, enter for dimension style. Then here we have two styles, one standard and annotative one. So the annotative is basically we can change the scale automatically from here, from the below. Then the standard, it should be changing from the dimension style manager. So I will go with dimension style with annotative. Click on annotative and click on new to create a new stage, new style. Then here you will receive this window. We can name it like any name you like. So for me, I will just name it like dimension style, STY. Okay. I'll give it number like 1, so just I remember it. Then I keep the same thing, annotative, all dimensions, continue. Then we have created a new style here. You can see it in this window, new window. They will give you here a review, kind of review of the dimension. While you make the change on the dimension style, it will show you here the change immediately. Not all the change, but some of them. So for example, here you have the new dimension style, DIMSTY1, which I name it. Then here we have first thing, the line, symbol, text, fit, primary, alternative, unit, and tolerance. So I'll start with line. Here the details, here for the line properties of the line of the dimension. So first one, dimension line, and this one, the extension line. Let's see the color. We can change it from here. For example, we can keep it green, for example, or red. You can see immediately after we change it from here. Here is the dimension line. The horizontal one has been changed to red, and here we keep it by layer or by block. Both are same. And then here the baseline space, we will keep it the same thing. I will change the extension line, which is the vertical, to green. Then I keep the same thing here. Everything here I keep it the same. I don't want to change anything. Then I will jump to the symbol and arrows. For example, here we have the arrow. Can you see the red arrow here? We can change it to, for example, architect tick. You can see the change has been applied here. Here the arrow size also, you can change it here from here if you want. So we keep it the same thing. Here is the mark for the center. The break size, we keep it the same thing. So we will jump to the text, for example. We will change it to annotative since we are in annotative. And then the fill color. Here the fill color, normally I don't want to keep too much overwhelming colors and lines, so I just keep it in none. For the background of the text, here the height of the text, for example, we can change it from here if you want. For me, I'll keep it like 0.5, or we can 0.2, 0.3, sorry. Then we can come down here, the vertical, we keep it in the center, horizontal in the center. Then I will change this one, alignment with dimension line. So the text number will be alignment with the line. That will be easy and nice. Then I will go to the next one, which is here, the text color. You can change it. I'll change it to, for example, to green. Then I'll go to the primary unit. I'll keep it the same thing. Here, regarding the numbers behind the dot, if you want to change it to one number, that's up to you, and depends on the drawing and the project you work on it. Here also for advanced level, round off after the dot. If there is, in the math, we can round off the number. I'll keep it the same thing. Then here is the primary unit, also the same thing. This one no change. Here also I will not change anything, I'll keep it the same thing. Okay, so just I'll click OK, then select the dimension style number 1 which I created with the blue icon, which is the annotative. Then I will set current. I'll click on set current, cancel. So if I came here and I make DIM, for example, just to try the dimension, so it will give me this, select the annotation scale. I'll just keep it 1 on 1. Okay, then you can see my dimension style here created. If you want to change the scale, simply you can come from here down and change it to bigger a little bit, for example. Okay, so here for this, make sure if you want to change the scale, make sure this one it's active. This one active, add scales to annotative. If it's not active, whatever you change the scale, so sometime it will give error, but make sure that active, and then change the scale as you like. Then now we create this dimension style. So for example, see, we create this dimension style. If we would like to save this dimension, so if you notice next drawing, when I open a new drawing here and I would like to use the dimension, it will not save. It will give me the dimension, the standard one. See, it's different than what I create. So in this case, instead I will go and create a new dimension style from the beginning. What I will do, I'll go back to the original page where we start here, right? So I will save this drawing, then I will give this drawing name of dimension, DIMSTY. I just give to matching the dimension style. Then save. I save it in document, save. So now what I have to do, simply I'll go to here, the menu bar. You have to go to Express Tools. Then in the Express Tools, you have so many sections here. First section is block, next section text, modify, layout, draw, dimension, tools, web. So our work in dimensions section. So here I will export the dimension style. This style, I'll export it to my laptop. So I click on export, select the which style I would like to export. So I just click on it and then I hit OK. Simply now export it. When I go for a new page, right, a new drawing, and I would like to use the dimension, as we said, it will give me the standard dimension. So in this case, I will just go again to Express Tools. Instead we export it, I will start import it. So I click on dimension section, from Express Tools, import, style, click on import style, browse. So you remember we save it in document, and it was DIMSTY, this one, and you see the file extension file name, it's DIM, that means dimension file. So I'll just click on it and then open it, again open it. So we open the dimension style file in this AutoCAD in this page, but we have one more step to activate this dimension. Let's see, after we import it, if I put the dimension, it's not active, right? The old one, the standard one. So I'll delete this one. I have to do one more step, which is I came to the home, then draw, modify, third section, which is annotation section, click on it, and here is the dimension style. Instead standard, you can click here and you can see it here, the style which we created previously, which is DIMSTY1, but with different number. But you can see it's the AutoCAD software automatically generate different number for the dimension, but we can understand from the color and things. So I'll click on it. Then now I'll go to the page, DIM, and I use the dimension. It will appear here. See? So this is how we can create a new dimension style, and we save it, then we import it to our new page. Thank you so much for watching today, and feel free to chat with me if you have any question.